In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a trendy torn paper effect on your photos using Canva. Whether you're sprucing up your social media posts or adding a creative touch to any project, this technique will definitely come in handy. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Canva. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but feel free to log in if you're already set up. Once you're on the home page, you should see plenty of design options. For now, just find a workspace where you can start your project. Next, let's head over to the Upload section on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you can bring in the images you'd like to work with. Simply click on Uploads and then drag your chosen image from your computer into this space. Canva will automatically upload it for you, and it'll be ready to work with in just a few moments. Now that your image is uploaded, we're going to add the torn paper effect to it. To do this, navigate to Elements on the left menu. Canva has an impressive library of elements you can use. In the search bar at the top, type in torn paper. Make sure to press Enter after typing to see the results. Once the results have loaded, you'll see a range of options. You'll want to look under the Photos section for realistic-looking torn paper images. Scroll down until you find one that fits the vibe you're going for with your project. Click on the one you like, and this will add it to your workspace. Next up, it's time to adjust the size of the torn paper to fit your image. Simply click and drag the corners of the torn paper element to resize. You can also reposition it by clicking and dragging anywhere on the image. Don't be afraid to experiment until it looks just right. After resizing, you'll want to click on the image and then look for the option to remove background. This is a neat feature in Canva that will give the torn paper a more natural look, ensuring the background doesn't distract from your main image. Now, right-click on your image and select Show Layer. This will help you better manage how all your elements stack atop one another. It enables you to move things around and organize elements so they're layered just the way you want. Once you have the layout you like, duplicate the image right there in the work area. This step is vital as it will allow you to add the torn paper effect on a duplicate layer, increasing the depth of your design. Drag this duplicated image directly on top of your original image. Finally, with the duplicate in place, click. Remove background once again. This will help make sure that your top layer is as clean and professional looking as possible, with just the torn paper showing. And there you have it. Your image now features a stylish torn paper effect, giving it that unique and trendy visual appeal. Play around with different torn paper textures and layerings to create various looks. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more creative tutorials.